Hey you guys, it is Patrick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm filming a video that is a little bit different from the normal content that I post on this channel. We are not remaking a Starbucks drink. We are not in the kitchen today. Today, I'm going to be reviewing a new fragrance that is fresh on the market that I am so excited to review for you guys, to unbox for you guys. Fun fact, I actually filmed this video like a couple hours ago, but there was an issue with the audio and I'm refilming this. So even though I am terming this an unboxing, and I will be kind of unboxing it, I already opened the box, so yeah, love that for me. So today I'm going to be reviewing the God Is a Woman by Ariana Grande perfume. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this for weeks now, weeks. She announced it like 1 or 2 months ago and I was just saving the date. July 29th, I stayed up until 1 a.m. and I bought it as soon as I could, and it actually got here today. So I'm filming this on August 1st, so it got here real quick. I was shocked. Just with my past experiences with Ulta, shipping has never been that quick, so I'm super excited. And if you're watching this on August 1st or after, it is now in stores, so you can purchase this at your local Ulta. And I will have the link down below if you guys want to buy it. I think you will. Just a little bit of a spoiler, but I think you will. So I have every single Ariana Grande fragrance in her whole collection. Ari, Sweet Like Candy. Oh, I don't have Frankie yet, but I'm hoping to get that real soon. Moonlight, Cloud, Thank You Next, and Rem. They are all amazing perfumes. Each has their own little place in my heart. They are all meant for different occasions, and I cannot wait to see where God Is a Woman fits in my life. Her fragrances are actually really reasonably priced. I always get the 3.4 ounce ones and they last forever. So I'm so excited to show you guys the God Is a Woman fragrance by Ariana Grande. Now, people were a little confused with this because this is the third scent that's kind of referencing the Sweetener era. People joke that that is obviously her favorite album, and it's actually my favorite album too. I keep on going back to Sweetener. I don't know what it is, but it draws me back in every time. Every time, oh my gosh. Every time is the bop on Sweetener. Do not say otherwise. Every time is the bop on Sweetener. So yes, this is actually not the first Sweetener based perfume, but I will say with the packaging here, it's giving very Positions era. It is, let me just get into the packaging. So as I said, I already kind of unboxed this, so the plastic is no longer on it, but yes. Oh my gosh, here we go. This is the God Is a Woman box. We have God Is a Woman, Ariana Grande. Again, I got the 3.4 ounces and it just has flowers all over the box. This is giving the vibes of the set that she just performed her Vivo performances on. It's giving very that vibe, very. Just a lot of flowers. Oh, and this is actually her first clean beauty fragrance. So that means it's 91% naturally derived. It has clean ingredients, 100% vegan. Oh my gosh, I love that. Completely cruelty free, and it has a reusable base that is made from 60% plant-based / sustainable materials. Oh my gosh. So yes, this is a little bit of a switch up from her other perfumes. This is more natural, more sustainable, just a lot more environmentally conscious. We love to see it. And then boom. Oh my gosh. This is such a pretty picture of Ariana. It's her in this lavender dress, just laying across a field of flowers. It looks amazing. She looks beautiful in this. And this is just the gown and more flowers. I love this box. I keep all of my perfume boxes from her. Her and her team did an amazing job on this box. It's giving very God Is a Woman vibes, but I can kind of see how this really does fit into the Positions era that we are currently in. So without further ado, let me show you guys the actual perfume bottle. Boom. So this is the bottle. A lot of people were coming for her on Twitter and Instagram saying that this is her most boring design. but I love it. I really do. It has a lavender base, and like her most recent perfumes like Cloud and Thank You Next, it has a base and then you pull the actual bottle out. I love it. I love that you can just slide it in and it looks so cute on like your countertop, your desk, or your vanity. I just love the base moment that she's been giving us, and she's been consistently giving it to us. So yes, it is a lavender base, and right here it says Ariana Grande, just very simple, just very sophisticated, and has a white cap, and then the bottle is just so simple but so pretty. Again, it just has the little Ariana Grande right here. I feel like this is just a step in the mature direction in her fragrance catalog. I love the direction this is going in, and I can't wait to see the fragrances that she releases after this, but let's get into this scent. So I'm gonna read the description that is on ulta.com. Empowered, period. Breathtaking, period. Natural, period. A breath of fresh air for the senses. Introducing God is a Woman, the fragrance by Ariana Grande, period. So it is in the Fruity Musk fragrance family, and I'll go ahead and read the key notes. So on top we have amberette and juicy pear. In the middle we have orris and Turkish rose petals, straight from Turkey. And the base is Madagascar vanilla and creamy cedarwood. That sounds amazing. To be honest, I don't know what half those things are, but they all sound very just, I want them on me. Okay, so I just got out of the shower like an hour ago, so this is going to be perfect. Let me just soak it in. Okay, so like I said, I did film this before, so I do know what this smells like, but I am consistently impressed with Ariana's fragrances. This is amazing. The fragrance family that it puts this in, Fruity Musk, describes this perfectly. You have a little bit of musk in there, but it is fruity. I get that pear right off the bat. The pear, a little bit of that rose, but it's not like old lady floral perfume. It's just a touch of rose, and then the vanilla comes through, and then the vanilla comes through. Those are the main three things that I'm getting. Maybe because I am not too familiar with the other notes, but this is amazing. I definitely do get that this is more of a natural vibe. This is not the sweet like candy, cotton candy, bubblegum, super sweet. This is more like candy from Whole Foods that is still really good. It's just a touch more organic and natural. I think that is the perfect description for this. It's sweet, but it's giving very organic, natural vibes, I will say. I actually love the design. It's just so simple and elegant and pretty. I think it fits the God is a Woman X Positions era perfectly. I love it. I would highly recommend it. If you guys are in the market for a new perfume, or if you want to add this to your Ariana Grande collection, I would highly recommend doing so. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It stays with you. I've been wearing this for, like I said, a few hours, and I still smell it. I'm not becoming nose blind to it. It's not over the top. It's not like a scent that you just want to like take a shower and get it off of you. This is amazing, and it will get people's attention. Also, there is a rumor floating out there in the Ariana Grande universe that this is just the first product of the God is a Woman line. Apparently, we might be getting skincare and cosmetics in the future. She filed some legal something. I don't know anything about legal stuff, but she filed something so that if she wants to do it, then she can have the God is a Woman name, and if that does come out, I will be super excited. I cannot wait for Ariana Grande skincare. Are you kidding me? Yes. Oh my gosh, just the bottle, the scent, and the box. I am so happy with this purchase. As an Ariana Grande fan, it is just so amazing. I feel like she is just so happy right now. She's married. Her music is becoming better and better with time. Positions definitely has some of my favorite Ariana Grande songs ever, and she's gonna be a judge on The Voice, so there is just a lot of exciting things coming. When I'm telling you this is the only thing I'm going to wear for the next few months, I mean it. So yes, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.